As you may have guessed by the title of this video, as well as the words written on the top of the page here, today we're going to be calculating percentages. If you have a full whole thing, you have 100% of that thing. If you get 100% on a test, you've gotten every single question correct. Calculating these percentages is fairly simple. So, let's say you want to figure out 25% of 100. 25% is a quarter, and we need to turn this into a decimal. The decimal of 25% is 0.25. And then we are going to multiply that by 100. Normally when you multiply, things get larger. But when you multiply by a decimal, things get smaller. 25% of 100 is 25. If we wanted 37% of 100, it would be 37. Do we want to find 12% of 100? It's 12. You should notice a pattern here. When we are finding percentages of 100, the decimal is always the same as the percentage number, and it will always be, these two numbers will always be the same. When you're calculating different numbers, things that aren't 100, it becomes a little more complicated. Say you want to find 25% of 400. You multiply 0.25 times 400, and it gives you 100. If you want to find 37% of 652, you multiply 37 times 652, and you get 241.24. An easy way to check your work is to estimate. 37% is about 1/3. Is 241 about 1/3 of 652? Yes, it is. We'll do a couple more. Let's say you want to find 45% of 3,692. Remember the decimal? 0.45 times 3,692. 0.45 times 3,692 is 1661.4. So far, I've only showed you examples of two-digit numbers. Let's say you need 6% of 200. If you turn 6% into a decimal, it wouldn't be 0.6, it would be 0.06. 0.06 is 6%, 0.6 is 60%. Remember that when you're multiplying those one-digit percentage numbers, you need to have a 0 in the front there. So let's find 7% of 80. We are going to multiply 0.07, because if we multiply by 0.7, that'd be 70%, times 80 is 7 times 80 equals 5.6. Simple enough, right? Hopefully.